If you're looking to buy a home, it's helpful to know how mortgage rates impact what you can afford. Even a small change in rates can have a big impact on your purchasing power. Check out this chart. This year, mortgage rates have been bouncing between 6 and 7%. When your rate changes, how much you can afford changes too. As the chart shows, even a relatively small change can impact what you'll end up paying over the life of your loan by hundreds of dollars each month. Interest rates are volatile right now, and trying to time them, it's a little bit tough. That's why it's important to get expert advice. A trusted lender can help you explore your mortgage options. So if you're interested in discussing your options, let's connect. Together we can work with a lender to craft a plan tailored for your specific needs and goals.